Another bearish week it was for crude oil, where we have seen a stronger slide all the way towards 58. Yes, after showing a massive reversal last week, we have seen the prices trading with swings and delivering a massive bearish week again. What to expect from oil in the coming week? Is it going to break below 55, the double bottom levels, and going to head towards 50, or the lows are done? Are we going to see a third bearish candle? Looking at the closing here, the bearish closing at the bottom suggests it might open weak. Are we looking at 55 here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil in the coming week? Or remember, the impact of tariffs also not to be forgotten. Can we expect the tariffs to impact the oil prices? And if yes, which direction is gonna be? Let's see. Let's eliminate the noise and find out the answers with the help of charts here. This is a weekly forecast. I do share my twice a day updates for crude oil. First with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session, so that you can profit across geographies. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels here, so watch till the end. First, let's start with the 4-hour charts. Now, let me take you a little back here. Look at the movement here, drop, retracement. First of all, this sideways movement, a little retracement, then lower lows, then similar impact. Now, this time it has again started to trade lower. Now, when you look at this move, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. This is almost at the bottom of the channel. That is one observation. Next thing is what it has done here. See, this was the support here, and it has breached this support 60.5 levels, which has offered it a near-term support. It has breached this, and what has happened since then? See, previously 61.5, 61.8, then 60.5, 60.7, and then now it has taken a direction. Clearly, it's a clear direction which it is adopted. Next is it is closed at the bottom, which suggests there could be further bearishness. A little retracement should not be treated for a reversal. In the last few sessions, I have mentioned very clearly 62.4, 62.6 should be an extreme resistance. What has happened? We have seen a dip from the same levels. Now, when you connect the lows and the highs here for the near term, you will find the oil has a little scope for 57.2, and from those levels it could start to retrace like this, come again towards 60. But we have to wait, because right now it is closed at an extreme bearish move. It might open with a gap down. Moving averages started to diverge. Stochastic getting oversold. The MACD, now see, this is what we had discussed in our daily updates. Do watch my Friday's update. I have mentioned very clearly the crossover here could take it towards double bottom. What could happen? It can create double bottom and then form a double top. And hence, the coming week is going to remain a pretty important one. And thus, the possibility of a move towards 57.2, 56, or 55. Now, 55 going to be the another level, that is going to be the recent triple bottom levels from where the reversal can be seen here. RSI coming to oversold zone. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, similar observation, drop, retracement, and this is the next round of drop. If you connect the lows here, it appears till 57.2, you have to watch out, and then once it trades below 57.2, we are waiting for 56 and 55. And remember, this time if oil trades below 55 in the near future, we are going to see 50 as well. Let's wait for that move, though I think things are getting slightly oversold on the higher time frames. When you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, staying bearish. This is offered at a very good resistance. Closing at the bottom might confirm the opening on the gap down here. You have to watch out here. And see, the bands are now starting to expand. There is a possible continuation of this downside. Stochastic looking downwards, which is again a bearish indication here. And the MACD is divergent. Again, a slight bearish indication. So things are not very much in favor now for oil to move all the way towards 70. But yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. RSI hitting the bottom here. Coming to the weekly chart. Now look what oil has done in the recent time frame. See, first of all, see this lower highs here. If you connect these two, first of all, look at this. This is a median channel here, and now it is on the verge of breaking this. So what will happen once it trades beyond 57.2? The possibility of 56 and 55 will be high. And once it trades below 56 and 55, in the recent time frames, in the next few weeks, oil prices are going to see a level below 50. Though when you see the weekly charts, see it is closed at the bottom, and this is the second successive red candle. And yes, it has scope for further down. So it has a probability for it to deliver the third successive red candle here. It has breached past the support at 61.5. It has breached past the critical psychological number at 60. And this means that it has still got room for further downside. And this indicates 55 should not be too far. Stochastic again looking downwards. MACD again starting to diverge, trading bearish here. And the RSI is looking downwards, a bearish indication here. So in the coming week, you have to watch out with caution. A move below 57.2 should take it towards 56 and 55. Now look at the monthly. Do watch my monthly forecast. You will get to know what we had drawn there. First, this crossover on the moving averages. Secondly, yes, these are trading with divergence, certainly a bearish indication. Next is, if you look at the move here, you can see this is how it has been trading. Lower highs are there, lower lows are there, and the bottom is not far. And yes, before we look into further details of the charts and arrive at the levels, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, do not miss to be a part of my 35th mentorship batch. The 35th mentorship batch dates are announced, registrations are open, only limited intakes we have. In this mentorship batch, what you get, yes, you get all the tools, techniques, and strategies with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades with these. You will also get to be part of our students alumni channel where you get all the trades and trends. You will also be having an opportunity to be part of any forthcoming live batches in case you want to revise. And besides that, you will all anyways be having the videos and the recordings as well. Do not miss to join it. Else, also you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram where trading as per the signals also you can profit. Connect with me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you're just willing to have a trusted partner, a broker which offers you self-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. So with this, what I'll recommend here is look at the move. First, the single line drop, three bearish candle, then this is the third candle here. Now, what oil prices might do here, see, this is important, double bottom here, so it can in fact hit the bottom here. Then what it can do, it can close at this zone, close the month at around 58. If at all it is bullish, what the best it can do, close, hit the 55 56 zone, close the month at around 58, and from those levels in the coming month start to reverse. What will happen, it will form a symmetry from here. What could be seen after that, we can see similar size of candle which might take oil prices towards 70 and above levels again in the next couple of months. But right now the stance is pretty bearish. Now the next observation is the size of the candle here. Look at the size of the candle, the body size here almost comprises of $5 of move. And if you see almost a $5 move from here, this is almost done here, and hence it is possible that oil might try to hit this zone for once and close the month somewhere here at around 51. Any drop below 55, any drop below 55, keep a notch lower. 54 should be also taken into consideration, because what lies below 54 is 52 and 50. Remember, if it comes out of this zone, it is going to deliver, it is going to move towards lower lows. The lows are aiming towards 50. Stochastic here looking downwards. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has taken a hit and it has still got lot much of room on the downside. So considering this, what you should do, I will only recommend you to buy. First, let's talk about the buying levels here. I will only recommend you to buy when you see now oil trading beyond 58.4, 58.6 zone. If you see it above this, expect 59.3, and if 59.3 is taken, then 60. Now 60 is one milestone which it has to trade beyond. What lies beyond 60 is 60.5, 60.7, the next target zone. And if this is taken, then 61.2. beyond this 62. If at all 62 is taken, this might be taking it towards the next milestone at 62.6, the most crucial hurdle, and beyond 62.6 it's a reversal. We might see 64 again. Right now, the closer of the week on a weaker note suggests that the downside is more probable than the upside, though these are markets. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 57.8. Expect 57.2, 56.75, and then 56. Once it trades below 56, expect 55.4 and then 55. Below 55, it is going to correct hard towards 54, 52, and 50 very, very soon. A number, a greater psychological number at 50 stays. That could also mean a reversal from those levels. Let's see at that point of time. First, it has to break, and then second, it has to show signs of reversal. Till then, trade as per the levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.